So I took it upon myself to figure out how to make a totally vegan chocolate cake that was just as good or better than any other chocolate cake out there. I made 7 different cakes before I landed on this one as being good enough to put in a video. And every day I would kind of get a response that was like, it's good, like it's vegan, right? And that wasn't good enough for me, so I just kept coming in and trying it. I tried different ingredients, I tried different amounts of ingredients. What I really wanted to do with this was to reduce the amount of sugar, not just make it dairy-free or animal product-free, but to actually reduce the amount of sugar. So I think in this entire thing, I only use about a 1/3 cup of sugar, not including the frosting, which obviously has powdered sugar, but in the cake itself, that's actually very little sugar for a 3-tiered, like full-size cake. Another thing that I did was replace the regular all-purpose flour that you would use in baking with whole wheat flour, because whole wheat flour has more vitamins, iron, calcium, and protein than regular flour does. I went to the store and bought chocolate cake and then made my chocolate cake and tried them side by side. I bought tons of frosting from the store and then put it side by side with the frosting I was making until I got them to look exactly the same and taste totally comparable. So I think the frosting was actually the most difficult part of this recipe because I was trying to emulate a store-bought dark chocolate frosting. So I tested it a ton of times. I would make different batches of it and try them side by side until I found the one that I liked best. And the way I got this to be really creamy and decadent was to use dairy-free dark chocolate and full-fat coconut milk, and that's where you get that really rich creaminess from without having to use any butter. A really common concern with not using any milk or eggs in baking like this is that the recipe won't be as like fudgy and gooey as a regular chocolate cake, but that's where the applesauce and the coconut oil comes in because those are great replacements and give you that same creaminess and moistness that you're looking for in a chocolate cake. I went around the office and I was like feeding it to all the different tasty producers, and I did not tell them that it was vegan. I didn't tell them that there was no dairy. I just didn't say anything. I was like, can you just try this? And every single one of them was like, oh my God, this is an amazing cake. Like, what is this? What did you do? And I was like, it's what I didn't do. I didn't put animal products in it. And I feel really good about that. It's like my baby. Like, I finally did it and I made this cake that when I fed it to other people, they had no idea it was vegan. It felt like I had climbed a mountain when I finally landed on the last cake, and I was like, this is it. It was like, you know, when the clouds part and the sun shines down and the angels sing, and it's like, ah.